Davis here with yet again another episode of the Backyard Barbecue Grill Table Talk. Alrighty, guys, listen, there's about 3 things that I want to talk to you about today, and I really need your attention on this, okay? Watch this video as many times as you need in order to get the message. So, first of all, I want to talk to you guys about what we're going through. When I tell you that we're going through this COVID-19 thing together, guys, listen, I am not belittling that. That's not just something that I'm giving you to just as meaningless words to pass the time. I'm telling you the truth. That's what's coming from my heart. Everybody out here who's sharing their issues with me, what you're going through, the way that you've been affected, I appreciate. I hear and I feel everything that's being said, okay? We're all going through our little private issues that we have to deal with, alrighty? So I just wanted to take this time to let you know that I feel your pain and that I share it with you, okay? I'm gonna work with everybody as much as humanly possible, but let me just kind of use this to segue into the next thing that I wanted to talk to you about, is that, guys, we're going into the end of week 8, okay? Which means that we've got more of this class behind us than we have left in front of us, okay? Next week is gonna mark the beginning of week 9, and it's also gonna mark the beginning of June. Guys, that's it. Okay, we're coming up really close here. We have week 9, week 10, and then final week is week 11. Okay, so if week 9 marks June 1st, you can kind of look at your calendar and do the math. So guys, I want you, by the way, to take some time out and look at your calendar. Actually look at it. Circle a date on there. Look back at your grade book. Look for any of your missing items. And if they're previously outstanding items, that's your plan, okay? Remember, there's an old saying that goes that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, okay? And that's on you, okay? I'm here with you. If you need help, reach out. I will provide you with assistance, alrighty? But just know that, we've got to meet each other halfway. We've got to meet somewhere in the middle if we're expected to move forward. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about here, just near and dear to my heart, is that, the grading. Alrighty, I'm getting a lot of emails because we're at Friday, and then quite naturally you should be concerned about your grades. But let me explain to you guys how it works, because it's been the same way now as it has been since the beginning of our class. The personal essay, let's just look back over our shoulders at that. Remember, guys, every essay that you write, we have to read through. Okay, we don't skim the essays. We don't just look at the essay holistically and decide, off the top of our heads, this is an A or a B. We read everything line by line, chapter and verse. Okay, and so after that, we make annotations on your essay. Right, guys, this takes time. We lost today because Monday, of course, was a holiday. So just be on the lookout. If you submitted your paper, on time, which means that you submitted on or before 9 a.m. 5/25, then that means that it's going to take us about a week to get to you, which means we go back to next Monday. Alrighty. So after that, what we do is we begin focusing in and honing in on all of the late submissions, and that takes us generally a day or two after the initial 1 week. Alrighty, from there we go to discussions, and from there we go to previously submitted items. So that's where we are, folks. Just wanted you to know. Alrighty, so guys, again, I'm with you. Okay, I'm right here with you. So, guys, just take your time, breathe, pace yourself. Alrighty, and I'll talk to you again. I'll see you somewhere again in week 9. But let's get in the game. And by the way, I left you a little something on this message. Be sure to look for the See It Through poem that I've left you, because that's something that I use, and it's very near and dear to my heart. When things get a little bit tough for me, sometimes I look for inspiration. Right? And that's allow that to inspire you. Guys, I want to thank you for always giving me your time. I want to thank you for always reaching out, and I want to thank you for being who you are. Always important, Dr. Dave is telling you to keep writing it right.